Hello and welcome. Well, that's me. No, not the engine, but those are my hands. And this video will be about me and my channel and how it came about. If you watched any of my videos, well, you may know what my channel is about. But if not, welcome. I make car repair videos, maintenance videos, and hopefully soon project videos. But my videos all have a purpose of helping you guys fix problems on your vehicle and save money in the process, while providing helpful information I've learned over my 20 plus years of working in the field. This is my second year doing YouTube videos, and has definitely been a bumpy road, especially when it comes to my voice and doing videos. At first I had music which I didn't know how to use correctly, and my voice which took me so long to get more comfortable talking on my videos. I believe in making videos that are direct and to the point, because I know when it comes to information, we want to find it as fast as possible with as much detail as possible. Also someone who will take the time out of their day to respond to people who have questions about their own car, because I love helping people. So let me thank all my subscribers and supporters who watch my videos and any future subscribers. My name is Simon, and the silly cat you'll sometimes find in my videos or in the background is Chevy, and she loves spending time around me while I work on cars in our backyard. So what better name for my channel than Backyard Chevy? Well, let's take you guys back to how it started. Time for epic movie voice. It was 1996, and I was 14 years old, and I had just purchased this car for $300, this Chevy Nova. It wasn't much to look at, but it was mine. Throughout my years of having it, it's gone through various transformations, and it was the car I learned all the basics on. Rebuilt the engine, did the brakes, did a drum to disc conversion on, even put my first Alice engine on, with computer to make it run. Every engine I put into this car was disassembled and built by me. I always liked knowing I could build something and it could get me around. But I'm getting ahead of myself. For over 3 years I worked rebuilding engines, and then I got into just car repairs. And then soon after I got into customizing cars and engine performance, building engines for high horsepower applications, adding turbos, nitrous, and I've worked on many makes and models. Unfortunately, I didn't start recording videos for YouTube till recently. I was more of a take a couple pictures in the middle of it and that was it. But guess it was because phone camera video quality was really bad back then. Well anyways, I hope I was able to bring a little insight into me, my channel, and my history. Thank you for all the support, and I hope you guys enjoyed this trailer of pictures I've taken throughout the years.